Sarah Fitri Fauzi, and my student ID is 33230023, and I'm from class 335A07. And today I will presentation about language assessment project 1. So in this presentation we have two parts. The part 1 is presentation and the part 2 is a case study. And let's go to the part 1. I choose the topic C-test. So what is C-test? C-test is a special type of language test. In this test, students read a text where some part of word are missing. Usually the second half of every second word is removed. And then students have to complete the missing letters. This way we can see how well they know words, grammar, and how they understand the text. Here is how a C-test works. First, the teacher chooses a short text about 80 to 100 words. Second, we delete the second half of every second word starting from the second sentence. Third, students try to complete the missing letters. And finally, the teacher checks the answer and give the score. Here is an example about education. The original text says, students enjoy learning new subjects at school. Teachers help them improve their reading, writing, and critical thinking skill every day. In the C-test version, we delete the second half of every second word starting from the second sentence. So, teacher become T, improve become im, reading become re, and so on. So students have to complete the missing letters. Now let's talk about the advantage of C-test. First, it measures many skills at the same time, like vocabulary, grammar, and reading comprehension. Second, it is easy and quick to score. Third, it reduces guessing compared to multiple choice tests. Fourth, it is suitable for intermediate level students. And last, it encourages students to actively recall words and grammar rules, which help them remember better. But of course, every method has limitation. The C-test is not suitable for beginner or students with very low English skill. Some words in the text may be difficult or unclear. Also, it's only focused on reading and vocabulary, so it less in speaking or writing. And last, it may cause stress if the text is too long or complex. So it may make students feel stressed. In conclusion, C-test is an effective tool for assessing student language skill, especially reading, vocabulary, and grammar. It is quick to prepare and score. But however, it has some limitation, but it's best used for intermediate level students. By understanding both advantage and limitation, teacher can use C-test in the right way to evaluate students accurately. So that's the end for the part 1, and we move to the part 2. The part 2 is case study of C-test. In this part, I will show how to design a C-test for a class of intermediate level English student. We will see the step, scoring, and justification of our choice. Here is the scenario and how we select tests. We have 30 students who complete their intermediate English course. The university wants to assess their overall and language proficiency, including reading, grammar, and vocabulary. And the method is C-test, where the second half of every second word is missing and students need to complete it. For this test, we select two texts, the text 1 about education, the text 2 about environment, and it's suitable for intermediate students. Using different topics help us assess a wider range of vocabulary and grammar. To apply the C-test, we follow this step. First, we start from the second sentence. Second, we delete the second half of every second word. Third, students read the text and complete the missing part. These methods show how well students know vocabulary and grammar in context. This is the C-test version. By the way, this is C-test about education. You can see that the second half of every second word is missing, starting from the second sentence. Education is key blank, factor for per blank, and pro blank growth. Student at blank school to learn div blank subjects such as math blank, blank, and blank blank. Teacher X blank lesson clear blank and ink blank student to ask Q blank. So and more. Student will complete the missing letters. So this test check their vocabulary, grammar, and reading skill. Here is the original text for the education C-test. Education is a key factor for personal and professional growth. Students attend school to learn different subjects such as math, science, and language. Teachers explain lessons clearly and encourage students to ask questions. Homework and projects help students understand the material better. Class discussion promote critical thinking and communication skills. Library provide books and online resources for extra learning. Technology also support learning through video and interactive activity. Exam assess student knowledge and skill. Participating in extracurricular activity helps students develop teamwork and leadership quality. So showing the original text helps student and teacher understand the context and the content of the test. This is the second C-test. It's about environment. Again, the second half of every second word is missing. Caring for the end blank is every blank responsibility. People can take sim blank action like red blank waste, con blank water, and using rain blank and blank. Planting tree help pre blank soil, aero blank, and pro blank oxygen, and more. So the student will fill in the blank to show their understanding of vocabulary, grammar, and reading. Here is the original text for the environment C-test. Caring for the environment is everyone's responsibility. People can take simple action like reducing waste, conserving water, and using renewable energy. Planting a tree helps prevent soil erosion and provides oxygen. The recycling program reduce stress and protect natural resources. Educating community about environmental issues increase awareness and promotes sustainable habits. Government create laws to limit pollution and protect wildlife. Individuals can contribute by walking or biking instead of driving. Protecting oceans, rivers, and forests ensure that future generations can enjoy a healthy planet. Small changes in daily life make a big difference for the environment. So showing the original text after a C-test helps students understand the complete sentence and context, making it easier to learn from their mistakes. Next, we explain about scoring. So each correct word gets 1 point, almost correct word get half a point, wrong or blank answer get 0. The total score shows student language level and the score range. High score indicates strong proficiency. Medium score show moderate skill or moderate proficiency, and low score show student need more practice or need more improvement. Now it's about the justification. The justification for using C-test. The text match the student intermediate level. C-test measure reading, vocabulary, and grammar together. And compared to other tests, it reduces guessing, it's easy to score and test multiple skills at the same time. So the expected result of the C-tests are to show students' strength and weakness in vocabulary, grammar, and reading. Then to measure overall language in proficiency, and to identify areas that need improvement, and last to guide the future learning. In conclusion, the C-test is an effective tool for intermediate students. It measures reading, grammar, and vocabulary, and shows students' strength and weakness. The result also help guide to future learning, so both teacher and student know what to focus on. So that's all for my presentation for part 1 and part 2. Thank you for listening my presentation. I hope this presentation give a clear understanding of how C-test work and why it's useful in language assessment. So thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.